for a Postal Service program called Priority Mail Open and Distribute and Express Mail Open and Distribute. These are both great ways of taking advantage of drop shipping for smaller volume shipments. We do offer a separate webinar on this topic, so please check that out on our website and look for upcoming dates for that webinar. A little bit about PPP and its many available functions. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Teresa, and she's going to be giving us a look at the software itself and some of its functionality. So Teresa, go ahead, take it away.
Okay, hello. I'm displaying my Postal Package Partner program right now. Basically what it's used for is a lot of delivery confirmation mailings. We support all special services, and also we do also support the IMB barcode, which is a new barcode that the post office is requiring soon. So there's two ways to get our data into the program. You can either do an import, or you can use an ODBC connection, and it all depends upon how you're planning on processing. For example, if you have a mailing to do and all of the pieces are the same, perhaps, or they're already packaged and you just want to import them, print the labels, and create your manifest, then you would want to import a text file or Excel file and create the actual packages, which is a batch type processing. The other way is through an ODBC connection, which fits folks who want to do like order fulfillments, where you know, if you have an internet company, for example, mailing out orders, and each box is a little bit different, so the users are packing the boxes as they go, then an ODBC would be the best way, because that way you can populate your shipping information. We do interface to scales, so that they can actually put the item on the scale and weigh it as you go along. I'm going to show you both methods. I'm going to first import the file. So if I was going to do the batch method, I would come into Import Export and then Import Data. You can set up as many templates as you want. Perhaps you have different companies you're mailing for, or different types of jobs. Whatever the case is, you can create different templates for different file formats. Our import templates are very free form, so you could just have any file format that's in a text or Excel type format and import it in. You don't need a special formatted file or anything like that to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add and show you how you would add a template. It's quite easy. You can do either an addressee import or a package import. The addressee would be, say that you had an address list that you always mail to. So for example, you mail to the same customer base all the time, then you might want to do an addressee import and then create your packages as you need to ship things to them. A package import would be what you would do for a batch import. Think of it as I'm going to create my packages in a batch so I can print them and all at once. So I'm going to actually create the packages themselves. So I'm going to do a package import for our example. And then here we're going to just call it import template name. This is kind of this is the actual phrase that appears on the previous screen we were on, so that when you're looking at all your templates, you know what they are. So I'm just going to name this file 329 webinar, and the import file type. These are all the file types we support. We do a ASCII delimited, ASCII fixed, Excel. Those are the three most popular.